He's being so good. This might be a good time to go to Hilton Head. I bet it's beautiful down there. Good boy. That's good boy. You are such a good boy. He's like, I don't want to eat my biscuit though. I don't want to eat my biscuit. He's a good boy. People.
Oh look, it's your little paw. Where she eats.
He's usually a yapper. I'm videotaping. Well, because his moms are not going to believe me. Caleb.
Caleb's being so good.
Caleb. Oh, I can see his me in the thing. Oh,
that's like full growth, improved
with the
muscle
hips
around
and
the hips
yeah,
and everything.
especially dogs that have hip issues. Leave it. Good boy, Skeppy. Good boy.